Lesson 5. 25 most common English verbs. Verbs are the most important parts of every sentence. Here we go with the list of 25 most common English verbs made by Oxford Dictionary. I want you to get to know all of these as they are the basis of the whole course. Now let's go and read all of them, shall we? Be, have, do, say, get, make, go, know, take, see, come, think, look, want, give, use, find, tell, ask, work, seem, feel, try, leave, call. I hope most of them are pretty easy for you. If there are some verbs on this list that you do not really know the translation into your own language, please pause the video and go to Google Translate and try to get the equivalent in your own mother tongue. If everything is clear, let's go on and let's look at very easy basic sentences using all of these verbs one by one. Here we go. Be, I am a girl. This verb looks totally different from the basic form when we go and make full sentences. We will focus on this verb in the next part of the course. 2. Have. I have a car. This is the other really important verb that we will also analyze in the next part of the course. Do. I do homework. Say something. Get. I get many emails. Make. I make breakfast. Go. I go to the supermarket. No. I don't know. Take. I take vitamin C. See. I see Mrs. Clark. Come. I come from Poland. Think. I think she's German. Look at this boy. Want. I want chocolate. Give. I give you my book. Use. I use iPhone. Find. I can't find my keys. Tell. I tell you the truth. Ask. Children ask many questions. Work. I work at school. Seem. She seems happy. Feel. I feel pain. Try. Try my cake. Leave. Please don't leave me. Call. Call me later. I hope you remembered to repeat all the words and sentences after me. Now, please pause the video and read all the sentences all over again.